The 2025 Ford Puma isn't just another compact SUV. It's a bold statement of style and practicality. Design asterisk. Ford has sculpted the Puma with an athletic grace, its sleek lines and muscular haunches hinting at the sporty character within. The distinctive floating roof, design, and sharp LED headlights give it an undeniably modern edge. Inside, the cabin is a blend of premium materials and user-friendly technology, creating an environment that's both stylish and comfortable. Performance asterisk. Don't let the compact size fool you. The Puma packs a punch with a range of efficient and responsive engines, including a peppy mild hybrid option. The handling is sharp and engaging, making it a joy to drive on twisty roads. Practicality asterisk. The Puma's clever design maximizes interior space. The innovative megabox under the cargo floor adds a surprising amount of storage, while the comfortable rear seats ensure passengers are equally well accommodated. Technology asterisk. Ford equips the Puma with the latest tech features, including a user-friendly infotainment system with smartphone integration and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that keep you safe and connected on the road. The verdict asterisk. The 2025 Ford Puma is a compelling choice in the competitive compact SUV market. It delivers a unique blend of style, performance, and practicality, making it a standout option for drivers seeking a vehicle that's both fun to drive and incredibly useful. Note asterisk, this review focuses on the strengths of the Puma, highlighting its unique design, engaging driving experience, and practical features.